Our machinists have been hard at work on this one-time tool, stainless steel gauge blocks. Milled and inspected to within 1/1000th of an inch over the length of the tool. So you can trust these tools for squaring your blades or setting up depth of cut. They're getting ready to ship, so let's head on out to the shop and see how they're made. Each gauge block is first rough milled from a solid piece of high quality stainless steel. After they're drilled and shaped, they're precision milled to our strict tolerance. Then, into the blaster to receive our proprietary satin finish, which minimizes glare. And it makes the laser engraved scales easy to read when you're dialing in your depth of cut. Lastly, they're packaged up and shipped directly to you. Like all of our tools, the gauge blocks are made right here in Strongsville, Ohio. As part of our one-time tool program, they're only built to order for a limited time. Click the link in the description to see if orders are still being accepted. Do you like our one-time tools? Let us know on the One Time Tools sign-up page and we'll send you an email when we set up for another run.